How to sign in to Golf Battle using your Google account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today we are going to learn how you can easily sign into your Golf Battle game with your Google account in just a few simple steps. First things first, launch open the Golf Battle game on your device. From the main home screen that appears on the screen, go ahead and click on Sign in with Google. Choose an account for your Golf Battle game. You can also add in a new email if you want to enter another email address. I'm just going to select one of the email appearing on the screen. Once you do that, on the next page, you'll also need to enter your Google account's password that you just selected. Soon after you enter your credentials, you will be able to sign in to Golf Battle with your email. Now, click the play button and start playing the game. So that is how you easily sign into Golf Battle using your Google account. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.